After Daniel interpreted King Nebuchadnezzar's dream in Daniel chapter 2, we see in Daniel chapter 3 that King Nebuchadnezzar decides that he's going to build the statue that he saw in this dream, except instead of having different types of metals making up the statue, his would be solid gold. And he set this up in the plain of Dura, which is also in Shinar. And he put it up in that place because it was such a vast area where many people could see it from far away, and they would come there, and the king set out a decree that all people should worship him. When the people would hear the sound of the instruments, that gave them the alert that it was time to begin to worship the statue. After making a law that anyone who did not worship the golden image would be thrown into the fiery furnace and killed, this presented King Nebuchadnezzar with a terrible problem. Tune in tomorrow to see what happens next.